Tracking campaign performance is crucial for any marketer looking to optimize efforts and ensure success. In this video, we'll show you how to track campaign performance in Teamwork.com, an excellent project management tool with features designed to keep your campaigns running smoothly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to leverage Teamwork's powerful features to measure the success of your campaigns, making it easy to track progress and improve your results. Now, before we dive in, let me mention that you can start using Teamwork.com completely free from the first link below. Not only do you get the software at no cost, but you'll also unlock some exclusive bonuses to get you started right away. So, stick around for the whole video. Trust me, you won't want to miss the bonus I'll share later. Let's talk about campaign performance tracking in Teamwork. First, you need to create a project specifically for your campaign. Inside the project, you can break it down into tasks and milestones, so you have a clear roadmap of everything that needs to be done. The key here is organization. Teamwork allows you to assign tasks to specific team members, set due dates, and add detailed descriptions so everyone knows their role and the timelines. Once your campaign is set up, you can track performance by monitoring task progress and seeing whether deadlines are met. But that's just scratching the surface. The real power comes when you start integrating Teamwork's reporting tools. The reports section in Teamwork allows you to pull detailed insights into how your tasks are progressing. You can generate reports on specific projects, tasks, or even time tracking, giving you a clear view of where things are at any given moment. One of the most valuable features when it comes to campaign performance is the ability to track time spent on each task. You can set up time tracking directly within Teamwork.com and easily log hours spent on different aspects of your campaign. This allows you to get a sense of where resources are being used and identify areas that might need improvement. Another standout feature is the ability to collaborate and communicate directly within the platform. Teamwork's messaging system helps keep all discussions in one place. So if anything comes up that could affect your campaign's performance, you'll know immediately and be able to address it quickly. This is especially useful when working with remote teams or multiple departments. If you're running a marketing campaign, you likely want to see how your campaign's metrics line up with your goals. With Teamwork's integration options, you can link up your Google Analytics, CRM tools, or social media dashboards. This makes tracking campaign performance even more seamless, as you can pull data from all your channels and see it in one unified place. Lastly, let's not forget about the visual aspect of campaign tracking. Teamwork's dashboard provides customizable widgets so you can tailor it to show the metrics that matter most to your team. Whether it's task completion, deadlines met, or campaign-specific goals like social media engagement, your dashboard can be adjusted to provide the insights you need right when you need them. If you want to stay on top of campaign performance, setting up automated alerts can save you time and ensure you're always in the loop. Teamwork allows you to set notifications for changes in task status, updates from team members, or any project delays. This ensures you're always ahead of the curve and can make informed decisions quickly. Now, before we wrap up, let me remind you that you can start using Teamwork.com today with a completely free trial. And through our exclusive link, you'll get extra bonuses to help you hit the ground running with your campaign tracking. Make sure to click the first link below for all those perks and start tracking your campaigns the right way today. Remember, campaign performance tracking is all about staying organized, having the right tools, and continuously optimizing. Teamwork.com helps you do all of that in one powerful platform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out that extended free trial below.